Welcome to 3D Print Pulse, your essential weekly update from the cutting edge of 3D printing and additive manufacturing. Every week, we bring you the most important news and developments. The episodes are crafted by All3DP's expert editors and voiced by text-to-speech so that we can go hunting for news again. Ready for the latest? Let's dive right in.
Bambu Lab has just launched a new 3D printer, the P2S. This second-generation Core XY machine is an update to their best-selling mid-range machine, the P1S. Bambu Lab has always been clear-eyed about its development strategy. New flagship tech trickles down to subsequent updates. That's why you can find many features from their high-end H series. While the core printing capabilities are largely unchanged, it remains a 256 by 256 by 256 mm single-nozzle Core XY printer. The improvements focus heavily on the user experience. For instance, the P2S finally receives a full-color touchscreen display and a high-quality chamber monitoring camera, a massive improvement over the P1S's notoriously poor camera feed. You now get the quick swappable nozzle system and the Dynasense extruder from the H series too. This extruder, paired with a flow-sensing eddy current sensor, results in a printer that's up to the task of pushing filament fast, with the top print speed nudging up to 600 mm per second. The P2S also gets a new chamber temperature management system. This H-series exhaust style traps warm air or flushes cool air, keeping temperatures appropriate for the selected material. At the All3DP offices, we have been hands-on with the P2S for a couple of weeks. Overall, the P2S feels like a modern version of the P1S. From the prints we've run through it, the P2S has reliably churned out parts without issues. Our initial impression is that it feels like a reassuringly solid update, fixing enough of the P1S's minor drawbacks to give anyone considering the higher-end H2S pause. It delivers a compact multicolor/multifilament printing footprint that works. The P2S standalone printer is available for $549 or $799 when bundled with the AMS2 automatic material system. This price point remains the same as the P1S, offering a significant saving over buying the printer and the AMS separately. However, there is a caveat for potential customers in the US. Bambu Lab is currently wrestling with logistics issues, meaning the printer won't be immediately available. Furthermore, the current threat of tariff-based trade action between the US and China may mean prices for US customers may not stay as they are. We will continue printing with the P2S. Please feel free to visit all3dp.com for more information.
Polymaker, a major name in 3D printing materials, has just released a new high-performance FDM filament, Fiberon PET GF15. This new material, containing 15% glass fibers, is designed to be a durable, stable composite that remains easy to print. The material is meant for parts that need high durability and stability, including paddleboard fins, industrial jigs, and automotive components. It boasts impressive mechanical properties, claiming to achieve over 59 megapascals in tensile strength and an impact strength of 8.7 kilojoules per square meter. Glass fiber composites typically offer significant boosts to mechanical strength and stiffness, making them ideal for demanding engineering applications, but they are often difficult to handle. Polymaker has engineered the PET-based material to be used easily in multi-material systems like Bambu Lab's AMS without worrying about the filament snapping. While it performs reliably at around 81 degrees Celsius, you can boost its heat resistance to nearly 130 degrees Celsius with a simple annealing process. This new filament allows makers to create highly durable parts with the ease of printing a standard PETG, pushing advanced composites into the mainstream. The price for a 1 kilogram spool is around $30.
Einstar has launched not one but two new laser scanners, the Einstar 2 and the Einstar Rocket. Both new models eliminate the need to be tethered to a computer during scanning, instead using Wi-Fi 6 for fast data transfer. They also both feature a replaceable battery system, which prevents downtime while charging. The Einstar 2, which starts at just $1,049, is positioned as the budget all-rounder. It uses both infrared and blue laser scanning to cover a wide range of uses. The biggest innovation here is its ability to operate outdoors, capable of scanning even in direct sunlight. For those needing more power, the Einstar rocket is the premium upgrade, starting at $1,699. The rocket packs its scanning setup with 2 laser projectors, a 19+19 crossed laser mode for larger area capture, and a 7 parallel laser mode. It also sports a higher resolution 5-megapixel camera for superior texture and color capture. Einstar claims both scanners can capture dark or reflective objects without the use of specialized scanning sprays. The launch prices are already competitive, with limited-time discounts available for past customers. Judging by the tech specs, the new models represent a significant step in making high-detail, untethered 3D scanning a reality for creators, hobbyists, and professionals who need performance outside of a controlled studio environment. And now a word from our sponsor.
Are you a designer, engineer, or hobbyist looking to bring your ideas to life? Stop searching for the perfect manufacturing partner. Craftcloud3D.com brings you the solution. Craftcloud connects you to a global network of top-tier manufacturers. Upload your 3D model, choose from hundreds of materials and technologies, and instantly compare quotes in real time. Get the best price on industrial quality parts, from prototyping to production, delivered right to your door. No hidden fees, no minimum orders, just seamless, transparent service. Whether it's a complex metal part or a simple plastic prototype, Craftcloud handles everything with expert support. Craftcloud, your project, perfectly printed.
Let's round off this week's podcast with news bulletins. Sports brand Nike appears to have accidentally posted a new purple color Air Max 1000 on the internet before taking them down again. Thought to release later this year, they joined black as the second color of the high-profile 3D printed footwear release. There's also an update on Adidas Climacool fully 3D printed slip-on sneakers, which are coming soon in a cool Gray 4 variant in gray with contrasting black Adidas stripes. Ultimaker has released the Cura 5.11 beta update, bringing advanced new features to its slicing software. The update introduces advanced painting tools for easier application of modifiers and supports. Additionally, the update includes enhanced performance profiles for the industrial-grade S6 and S8 printers. Onshore has introduced a new, integrated AI helper directly into its software. The AI Advisor tool saves designers the hassle of switching tabs by providing real-time answers to technical and procedural questions within the application. It's designed to flatten the learning curve, improve workflow, and make advanced features more accessible without leaving the design environment. Watchmaker Ming developed and printed Polymesh, the brand's mesmerizing new watch strap. It's fashioned from 693 links and components, sintered from grade 5 titanium, resulting in a strap that fastens with a traditional buckle but, Ming says, flows like fabric. The company sells the strap individually, no watch included, for 1,500 Swiss francs, about $1,850, excluding taxes. A stainless steel variant is in development too. Photocentric offers a new industrial casting resin designed to solve a major problem in metal casting. The new resin leaves minimal ash residue after burnout, a critical factor for achieving high-precision metal parts. This innovation aims to streamline the industrial lost wax casting workflow, increasing the accuracy and quality of final metal components.
That's it from the weekly roundup from the world of 3D printing. As usual, you can find all the links in the show notes. Thank you to our sponsor Craftcloud, and remember, you can always find more in-depth articles, reviews and guides at all3dp.com. Don't forget to subscribe and leave us a rating or review. It really helps us to bring these updates to even more 3D printing enthusiasts like you. Join us next week for another rapid-fire update. Until then, happy printing!